Oh, these ads get every day. Yeah, yeah, I see the school beat. Oh, this ad. Yeah, this ad though. Ugh. I'm not interested in that. I need a way how to stop these ads. Ugh, ads, no. Oh, I have but I have no ads. I have to have YouTube Premium, $11 a month. I just have that, just have no ads. I wish there was a free way. Maybe there is.
Hello with me, Super Fast Say. I'm sorry I haven't been long on YouTube because I have a lot of stuff to do over October. Finally, to have time to be with you guys or anyone on YouTube. So, this YouTube video is a random video on my random playlist, which you can go down the description of my video right now, so you can pause it right now. And before I tell you how to, have no ads for free, or how to have no ads for free. Sorry, my videos have problem pausing and skipping, so I was trying to fix it, but I finally got it. And before I tell you how to have no ads on YouTube without paying for YouTube Premium, I want you to click these two cards that's gonna come on the right screen, on your right side of the screen right now. The card that says how to become a billionaire. That's how to become a billionaire in Roblox. I'm not talking about real life. Roblox and how to become. And another card right here, this white card right here, is the Tech Month. Talking about basically about that this whole month and even through November is the Tech Month. Mostly October, but today, you know how you go on YouTube and a lot of you people use it, or a lot of you people even like it. And you see this ads, and then of course you could pay for YouTube Premium to have $12 every month, and of course YouTube Premium do give you benefits. But what if I could tell you that there's a free way to block the ads on YouTube? If you can't pay, you don't want to pay, it blocks the ads on YouTube, and I can tell you. So. And I'll link you to the website. That is Chrome Store on the bottom of the description. And the first thing you had to go, I was on AdBlock, yeah. So yeah, you go to Chrome Web Store, and Google gives you for free an AdBlocker, and it works on YouTube, on websites, and you put it. It's an extension, so you put it on there, and then the thing happens, and I will show you in a second how it works. But yeah, me Super Fast Say, after you add the extension, you can see this, an ad blocker, you add this one, and then add the extension, and then what it said, an amble on this side, and it works, really. Watch this, an amble, click reload, load YouTube, and then boom, say bye-bye to those ads. Right now, this thing, I can tell you, is blocking at least 12 ads. You block all these ads, and now I can basically listen. You can go on YouTube, have no ads on the side, have no ads on the side, and even no ads in your video. Now when you first get it, it might not work as good, but eventually, a couple days, it should start working. And you can get any ad block along free on Chrome, and if it don't work, try others. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See, no ads on here. So that's that's pretty much. It's very simple, very easy on Windows. I don't know about Mac, but have it with no ads, see no yellow. Oh yeah. SFA. Learn, earn. And that's how you do it. You can do it on, on your home computer, school computer. Have no ads on YouTube, and it's good. So now you don't have any bad ads coming in, and now you can listen to your video. And it works on computer, and that's how I know. This was a quick video, random video on my playlist. Yeah, thank you for watching me super fast say. Before you go, don't forget to like this video for help you did this to block ads and now have YouTube with no ads. Don't forget to sub so you can you can sub and help my sub count and help me to make more. I'll try my best to make more. And hit that bell so you can know when I post a YouTube video, because you never know, I might post sometimes so long or very short. And yeah, thank you, and I'm very happy. Let's go. Hey, yeah, hey, hey. And it works on Windows 10. Will it work on Windows 7? I don't know.